Okay, here's a handful of red bell pepper seeds. So again, here we go. So when it grows, it grows. Who knows? So that's me paying my rent. It just needs watering. It rained earlier, but let me water it just in case. Okay, where's the water? Where's the water? Okay, I finished watering it. So as you can see, I do something around here. Not that I'm a lazy bum. You don't see me doing anything. Let's go visit it's visitation time. Let's go visit my avocado, which is this tall already. Then my mango is this tall. The soil is dry. Need to water it. It's all dry. And it rained this morning, so let's go water it. Okay, I got the water running. Okay, that's good enough. I have water every single plant there is back here, so water it all the way up back this way. So from that papaya tree back there, way down here, then all the way down there. So I done my part today. So I have sun dried the seeds, bell pepper seeds. So after I do that, then I can preserve it for a long time, like bag it up, keep it in a safe place, but keep it away from the rats. The rats can smell all of these seeds, like papaya seeds and cantaloupe honeydews. It breaks it so perfectly in half. You won't even believe it. It's the mouse that does that. Okay, sorry if you can't see me too well because it's evening time and I am about to grow strawberries. I'm experimenting with the sowing seeds and the one I got from the Asian market. So let's start. I'm gonna put it in. Let's do this right here. I hope you can see it. I'm sprinkling here. Let's do it closer so you can see. Since that's not growing, I'll plant some seeds right there. And then let's tear up this right here. And then see how the seeds look like. Oh my gosh, it's so little. Look at that. So let's experiment. I like to experiment. Test the hypothesis. Okay, just do it over here so you can see that I'm trying my best. Let's see if I can do it like this. I hope you can see. I hope you can see this way. So, nope. Can't see it either. Why? I should have done it in the daytime. Hi, how are you? I'm sorry. This is so bad. Hold on. Okay. I think some of them fell out. Well, let's do it like this. Hopefully you can see everything that I'm doing. I'm shaking out every single seed. Can't even see how it looks like, but there we go. That will be in this pot. And then my last one. I guess it's the same, yeah, same type. So I'll plant it in this pot. Hopefully it will grow. Plenty of, oh my god, I'm scared. A moth. And all my nails fell off, so I have one left that's still nice, or two left. But the rest are uneven, so I had to peel it off. Well, here we go. Okay. So they're all out, hopefully. And then I gotta water it. Oh, I can use these bags to put the red bell pepper seed in. Recycling, see? Recycling is the way to go. So, there we go. Let's go find some water and water them. Water this baby. Okay, here we go. A bunch of, you can see it, a bunch of red pepper seeds. So, okay, sorry you can't see me or see what I'm doing right here, but I am watering the strawberry, so hopefully you can see. It's better to plant or do your seedling early in the morning when sunrise or sunset, which is right now. So I hope you can see my new watering pot. So I'm experimenting. It's better to get started than never, and experimenting is the way to go. So if it fruits, it fruits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Wish me luck. I'm also watering the other Thai chilies and whatever. So, like I said, I finally knew what that was, the healthy plant. It was a Tabasco chili, not a bell pepper. And the other ones were Thai chilies. I forgot that I even planted Thai chili seeds. So I'm getting ready for hurricane season, so I guess I'm staying back here in Florida for maybe maybe before hurricane season or after hurricane season. I don't know yet. Where I go wherever the wind blows me. So if I'm happy, I'll stay back. If I'm not happy, I won't stay back. But I need to pay my debts and dues and bills, and then move. Because I'm back and forth from here to Houston a lot, and no matter where you go, it's the same people. They get on your nerves, stress you out, whatever. So I'm trying to get away from crazy people. I'm just trying to earn my money and do whatever I need to do. So we will find out if my strawberries will grow or not, and we'll find out if the red bell pepper will grow and the papaya will grow. So far success. It's baby papaya plants, but let's see how it goes. And I should be getting ready for hurricane season, so, and guests and companies coming over, so we have plenty of food. You know, nobody will be complaining about people don't have money, people don't have food. Where did all the seed goes? Where did it come from? Only I would know. Like I said, I will go where the wind blows me. I will go where the hurricanes and the storm and the tornado blows me. You can run, but you can't hide. I will go where the tsunami takes me, and I will go where the flood takes me too. I love hurricanes. I've never seen a tornado, but I've seen a supercell storm funnel clouds forming above my head in Houston, Texas. It's going slant like this, and it starts swirling above on top of my SUV and my head, and I'm standing right next to my SUV. It's swirling in circle, and I'm like, oh God, don't play games with me like this. Don't play me like this. Whew. I can run, but I can't hide. The gas station is right across the street from Kroger's where my SUV was parked, and I'm like, okay, if I run to the gas station, pump $5 to my name of gas, then how far can I go with $5? Might as well take me right there. So, oh man, God jinxed me, but he was messing with my head. Not in a time like this when I see ghosts and demons, and then I see a tornado funnel cloud forming on top of my head and on top of my SUV, and then all hell breaks loose. I don't know what to do. But luckily, I drove off, so I do apologize if I don't know when the video is cut off short, so